In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CJ Dropshipping manual order. First, open your CJ Dropshipping account in your web browser and sign in. Give the dashboard a moment to load so everything displays correctly. On the left-hand side, look for the navigation menu. Find and click Store Orders. This is where you'll manage and create orders that aren't coming directly from a connected store. Once you're inside Store Orders, click the Create Orders button. This opens the manual order workspace, where you'll build the order from scratch. You'll see options to add products. Browse or search for the items you want to include. When you find a product, click it to open its details, then click Add. As soon as you add an item, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see the cart panel update to show the product you just added. If you need multiple items or different variants, repeat the same action and watch them appear in the cart. When you're satisfied with what's in the cart, click the cart panel, then click Next to move forward. Now you'll enter all the necessary details for the order. Start by reviewing each product. Confirm the correct variant, color, size, and quantity. This is a great time to double-check availability to avoid back orders. Next, fill in the recipient and shipping details carefully. Make sure the name, full address, postal code, and contact information are accurate. A small typo here can delay delivery, so it's worth a quick review. If the page asks for shipping preferences, choose the option that balances cost and delivery time for your customer. You can also add order notes if there are specific packing requests or handling reminders. Verify pricing, applied discounts if any, and the total cost shown. Ensure the currency and region are correct for your order. Before you finalize, take a moment to scan the entire summary: products, quantities, recipient details, and shipping method. If anything looks off, use the back or edit options to make adjustments. It's easier to correct now than after submission. When everything looks good, click Confirm. CJ Dropshipping will process the manual order and you should see a confirmation on screen. Keep an eye on the order status from the Store Orders section so you can track progress, handle any follow-ups, and keep your customer informed. That's it. Simple, clear, and efficient. By following these steps, you can confidently create a CJ Dropshipping manual order anytime you need one, whether you're handling a one-off request or managing special situations outside your connected stores.